ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். நான் ஒரு ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் ஒன்று அட்டன் பண்ணேன். அதில் நான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டது தான் இப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன். அதில் அவங்க ஆன்லைனில் பேசும்போது நான் கொஞ்சம் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணேன். அந்த ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணதை தான் நான் இப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே, இந்த வீடியோவில் என்னென்னலாம் பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, ஈசிஎன் சேஞ்ச்னா என்ன, அதாவது இன்ஜினியரிங் சேஞ்ச்னா என்னது, ப்ராசஸ் சேஞ்ச்னு என்னது அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகேவா? இந்த ஈசிஎன் யார் பண்ணுறாங்க, ப்ராசஸ் சேஞ்ச் யார் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். அப்புறம் ஏபியூபி மேட்ரிக்ஸ்னா என்னென்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஏபியூபி மேட்ரிக்ஸில் அதாவது டபிள்யூஏபிசி அப்படின்லாம் வருது இல்லையா, அதெல்லாம் என்னென்னு அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு எஃப்எம்ஏ. இப்போ ஒரு நியூ பார்ட் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக ஒரு நியூ பார்ட் ஒன்று ரன் ஆகுது. இப்போ தான் நியூ ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஒன்று ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னா, அந்த நியூ பார்ட்டுக்கு நம்ம எஃப்எம்ஏ எப்படி பண்ணுறது அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுவும் இல்லாமல் அந்த எஃப்எம்ஏ பண்ணுறதுக்கு யார் ஹெல்ப்லாம் தேவைப்படுது அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இப்போ என்பிடி பார்ட்டுக்கு கப்பா தேவைப்படுமா, அதாவது கரெக்டிவ் ஆக்ஷன் அண்ட் ப்ரிவென்டிவ் ஆக்ஷன் தேவைப்படுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அதுவும் என்னென்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். அப்புறம் T01 T02 அப்படின்ற ட்ரையல்லாம் எதுக்காக தரணும். அப்புறம் ப்ரோட்டோடைப்புக்கு எந்த டூலுக்கு ப்ரோட்டோடைப் சாம்பிள் தரணும், எந்த டூலுக்கு T01 T02 ட்ரையல் சாம்பிள் தரணும் அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஏபிக்யூபி பண்ணும்போது ஏபிக்யூபி கிக் ஆஃப் ஆகிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா, அதுக்கப்புறம் கஸ்டமர் எனக்கு இந்த கலரில் பார்ட் வேணாம், வேறு கலரில் பார்ட்டு கொடுங்க அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க அப்படின்னா, அதுக்கு நம்ம எப்படி ஏபிக்யூபியை எடுத்துகிட்டு போவோம், இல்லை எந்தெந்த ப்ராசஸ் சேஞ்சாக இல்லை டிசைன் சேஞ்சில் வருமா அப்படின்ட்டு இந்த வீடியோவில் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அதுவும் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா தான் இருக்குது, கேளுங்க. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இது கொஞ்சம் கான்வர்சேஷன் தான். இது ஒருத்தவங்க கொஸ்டின் கேட்பாங்க, அதுக்கு ஒரு ஹெட் இருக்கார், அவர் பதில் சொல்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். கொஞ்சம் இங்கிலீஷ் அண்டு ஹிந்தியில் தான் இருக்கும், தமிழில் இருக்காது. கொஞ்சம் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ண முடிஞ்சவங்க அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, நல்லா தான் இருக்கும். இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நான் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணதை வச்சுருக்கேன். இது உங்களுக்கு ஓகே நல்லா இருக்குது அப்படின்னா கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நான் இன்னும் ஃபர்தராக இருக்கிறத கொஞ்சம் எடிட்டிங் ஒர்க் இருக்குது, பண்ணிவிட்டு நான் உங்களுக்கு அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
ஸோ double level type category is involvement where the company has no experience, so far. Absolutely developing a new totally new product. Okay. Please keep it muted. If you want to say anything, please you can say it. Otherwise, keep it muted. Spring India is muted. If there is any query, then you can certainly call. Speak. Yes, please. Okay. So let's go further. So absolutely new development means, suppose you are in sheet metal industry. Okay. Your company takes decision to develop plastic parts, like injection molding parts. Many people have come into it because many sheet metal parts, body parts have been changed to plastic parts. So when we are developing first time the plastic part, it is an absolute new development. Understand? So this is a double A type category where we have no experience. Everything is new to us. Understood? Then this is very rare. Okay, this does not happen every day. Now, second category is development of similar parts similar to our existing product range. 99% cases we get the same kind of development. Suppose somebody is making locks, he will get order for more locks. Somebody is making door handles, he will get orders for more door handles. Somebody is making door trims, he will get orders for more door trims. Somebody is making steering system parts, he will get more orders for working steering system parts. Somebody is making bearings parts, he will get more orders for getting bearing parts. It is like that. This moves. So A-type development is very common, but double A-type development is very rare. Further to this, now we get modifications. Okay, some major modifications, some minor modifications. Some modifications we get from customer side, Customer gives us modification, we call it ECN, engineering change note. And some modifications we do in our processes, and we call it process change note. These are internally generated, and ECNs are customer generated. So whenever there are modifications, we certainly make new samples. Now, we don't follow all the activities. We follow only less of them, okay, few of them. So, how to decide which activities to be done, which is not to be done? This APQP matrix helps us in deciding that. Understood? Have you understood this, what I have said so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Fine. First, for very new people, I will tell you, APQP matrix is a matrix which is being used for deciding activities to be done in a type of development. Type of development I already explained to you. Now, what a matrix I will tell you. This is the APQP matrix. Please don't worry about whatever is written. Okay. Just see the format. Okay. Because this all activities you will be deciding as per your company. It is not a standard that you have to follow it. Fine. This categorization you are going to decide yourself. This definition of this you are going to decide yourself. Understood? I will not read this because I have already read what is AA, ABC, etc. So this is what the definition says. Now come to the matrix part of it. Serial number, description, disbursement, list of activities as per your procedure. This is not a new document, okay? Please understand. This is an annexure to my existing development procedure, okay? So here the activities are exactly as defined in my procedure. If my procedure defines the activities in continuous flow, it is going to be in continuous flow here. If my procedure defines the activities in 5 phases, in this matrix, these activities are going to be in 5 phases. So please don't prepare a new one. Okay? Please, this is just a summary of the activities which we have already defined in our I can say procedure. Okay? So this is how the description should be filled. Right? Then there is a categorization AA, A, B, C, etc. So here, what all activities is required to be done, we are going to decide by marking a circle. In this case, you can identify by any other means also. In AA type, what all I am going to do, A type, what all I am going to do, B type, what all I am going to do, C type, what all I am going to do. This decision matrix is very much helpful in normal working, because at the time of working, if there is no decision, then the decisions are taken by the individual person, means they are subjective decisions. Sometimes we may miss some important step, or sometimes we may be doing unnecessarily. So all these things, if this decision matrix is available, it is very handy for us to know what all I am supposed to do. But the only thing is, when a development or a modification comes, I will have to decide what type of category it is. So this is a very much, this is a use of this APQP matrix.
Sir, I have one question.
I hope it is clear.
In A part, absolutely new product. In a new product, there is no past defect history in new product particular, right, sir? Then it is compulsion of to make the FMA.
Yes, FMEA to banega hi. FMEA have to make. I should make. See, what is FMEA? That's what. FMEA tells us that during the process, during my production process, that I'm going to face, which process is going to be more critical from customer point of view or from my production point of view. Okay, that is FMEA. It tells us in advance that what all problems I am going to face when the development is going to take place. Now, your question is, when there is no experience, how to make FMEA?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right, sir.
You should take somebody's advice, expert's advice. who is already in the business of that side. Okay.
Then, sir, means here we need to design a process flow. During the process flow, PFMA will be make. But PFMA is a tentative, not a completely which how to be included. Means past experience data we need to put,
Yes.
but it will be tentative one, right?
Yes,
sir?
yes, yes.
But
It can be. See, FMA can be revised n number of times.
yes,
It can be revised.
yeah.
You make first, okay? You can always modify it. You can modify it next day also. No restriction.
Then many. So my one question.
Yes,
sir,
yes,
quick
yes.
question. When
Yes.
our audit is conducting, that our design and development activity we are carrying out. Our design is our company design, and Maruti is providing us a finalization. Then new designs measure is our in new design. So when the some auditors are coming here for Maruti, Mace or others, then they are looking a measure from past defect history. But in new product, I don't have any past experience. Then how I can tell that if past defect history, there should be a completely make.
You can take help from the customer. Okay.
Yeah.
Your customer is already in the business, so he will have some history of similar part. He will tell you. He will share you.
Sir, Maruti never share with us this kind of
No, they will tell you. No problem. Our development team, Maruti, I was also in development at some time. We used to, because many times not only that you are conversant with the process, neither you are not conversant with the criticality of the part. Also, we should update it. What's wrong with it? We used to work very closely with the vendors in the very beginning of the years. 1985 I started. Then 1985 to till 1991 or 93, 94, we developed many parts. Okay, our localization level, which was just 20%, I think, at the time of 85, it reached up to the level of 90%. So there we had n number of discussions with the vendors. No issue. No issue. Even Maruti, or even you are tier 1, they can help you. But today's scenario, okay. Today's scenario, technology is available, you can always take the support of correct expert. This is what I advise you today. Okay. At that time, because no expertise was available, so we used to share our experience, whatever it is. Right? It is possible. Right?
सर एक क्वेश्चन है कि अगर मान लो एनपीडी के टाइम कोई मतलब कंप्लेंट आती है या कोई डिफेक्ट आ रहा है तो उसका कापा तो नहीं फिल होगा, मतलब उसको पास डिफेक्ट हिस्ट्री शीट में तो अपडेट कर लेंगे लेकिन कापा भी बनेगा उसका जो एडी रिपोर्ट
इंग्लिश में जॉब तो कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं। मैं आंसर इंग्लिश
इफ वी फेस एनी डिफेक्ट
आप मत बोलिए, मैं समझ गया। मैं इंग्लिश में जवाब दूंगा so that people also understand.
Okay sir, okay.
See, when the first thing is we should be very, very clear what we call is a problem. Okay? Fine? During development. Fine? Now, system says, if there is a quality problem, it should be properly analyzed. Development process is not excluded from the procedure. Understood?
Yes sir.
So, if there is a quality problem, it is required to be properly analyzed. Kappa lagega usme. We should do it.
Okay.
No. Before that, I said you please remember that you should define what is a problem. Okay. If there is a problem. There is a problem in defining problem during development stage. This is what I am saying.
Okay sir.
Now, what is a problem? You should be clear. Okay, suppose you are trying the part first time. Which industry it is? So suppose try in this making fasteners. What do? There is a die.
Yes sir.
Pole folding die.
Yes sir.
There is a die. So you make a die.
Yes sir.
First time you try the die. This is called our T0 trial. Understood?
Okay.
Now, when you're trying yourself first time, So you are trying only to see if there is any problem or no. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that time, if there are issues, the dimension is not okay, part is not meeting our requirement, it's okay, understood, because the trial was done only for that purpose only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, having corrected it, now when I see my T0 trial is to T0 trial findings I have updated in my DAI, then I do next trial. Maybe you call it T1 trial. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose there are still issues, then you go to T3 trial. Okay, you keep on doing till you get a first okay lot or first okay parts, maybe samples. Fine.
Okay.
So when you are yourself, development team is yourself satisfied that this die is okay, now my part is okay. Fine.
Fine.
Then you going to submit the samples to quality department. Fine.
Okay.
If quality department rejects it,
Okay.
right, then it is a problem. Understood?
Okay.
Then you should do the analysis why this had happened, because it was okay as per you. Understood? No?
Yes, sir.
If quality department approves it, then it will be submitted to customers. Samples. Understood? Fine.
तो सर जो
Just wait. If customer rejects it,
Okay.
then it is a problem. Please record these problems of these stages in your problem PDCA sheet, problem summary sheet. अब बोलो क्या करें?
सर जो T0 T1 स्टेज है, ये अगर हमें कस्टमर रिजेक्ट करके देगा तब होगी, या अगर हमारा इन हाउस हम बार बार ट्रायल कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए होगी T0 T1?
सारी होगी. This will all. First time loading die will be called T0 trial. Okay. After corrections, we will keep on doing T0, T1, T2, T3 trials, because it is you are doing trials, and your trials is being done. T0 में if there is any problem, then I modified it, and T1 trial again problem, modify it. T2 trial. This is how it happens.
और अगर सर हम मान लो हमने T0 ट्रायल पे बनाया हमारा पार्ट, सैंपल सबमिट किए और वो ओके हो गए, उसके बाद पहले हमने उनको 10 पीस सबमिट किए, अगली बार हम उनको 50 पीस दे रहे हैं, तो जो सेकंड बार दे रहे हैं उसको T1 ट्रायल बोलेंगे?
नहीं,
क्योंकि वो तो T0 में उकड़ गया.
हाँ, T0 okay. T0 trial, that is the only trial required. That's all. पहली दफा हो गया तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कुछ और कहने की जरूरत ही नहीं.
Okay.
Then you can make a pilot lot. उसके customer wants you to more pieces. Then you make that will be called pilot lot. Once trials are over.
और सर एक केस ऐसा होता है कि जैसे कई बार तो अगर हमें कस्टमर सैंपल्स के लिए बोल रहा है, हम नई वायर में से ही बना के देते हैं. कई बार ऐसा केस हो जाता है कि वो हमें 10 या 20 पीस मांग रहा है मतलब ट्रायल के लिए, तो हम सिमिलर पार्ट में से उसको मतलब मशीनिंग या कुछ करके बना के देते हैं किसी केस में. तो सर उसके बाद मान लो उसने ओके कर भी दिया, तो वो हमारी डेवलपमेंट से जब उसने ओके की और हमने वायर से बनाना शुरू किया, एक्चुअल में जो उसका कंट्रोल प्लान में होगा तो वहां से स्टार्ट होगा, या हमने जो मतलब किसी और पार्ट में से बनाया था?
ओके. जो whatever you have made from the other step, other part, okay, other materials. It is called prototype sample. Okay. That will be called prototype sample. जो आपने जैसे भी बना दिया.
वो T0 नहीं होगा?
No, T0 तो उसको prototype किया. You say it is a prototype sample. Once a customer has approved the prototype sample, then you properly with all specification of material and with okay die you make the samples or supplies. It is called T0 trial. Maybe, okay, but not a very.
My product is running. My product is running, and or EOP materials. My customer one kickoff is called. Kickoff हुआ सर. Kickoff होने के बाद उन्होंने he requested us only color change. Nothing need to do with specification. It will come in which category? It will come in A category or it will come in
minor
ECN?
modification.
Minor modifications. Part design or process design, sir? Only color change.
Only it is minor modification. ECN, it is a ECN, customer design. Part change.
Part change. It will come in
ECN, sir, minor ECN. We call it minor ECN. Okay. Where you did not to change your die or process.
right, sir.
That is called minor. Okay. Where you need to change your die or process, we call it major.